Hey guys, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. Back to working on the 57 Chevrolet. This is a driver's side fender that we were working on, so this is a part of that video. Had a bit of Swiss cheese in this area here, but was able to weld it in using a brass rod that I use for backing sometimes. So some guys use copper, but copper, brass, even aluminum will actually work. So use those as backers. You can see it was Swiss cheese here, so I actually had to make a patch to go in there. Got it upside down. Made a patch. How I did this is I have a T-dolly that's roughly 3/8 in diameter, and so maybe ½ inch. I think it's 3/8. I hammered this over the T-dolly to get that radius in there. As you can see, there's a radius here, and so I got to trim this out the rest of the way. Started cutting it a bit already, but so that patch is made, and that'll go in there. And then actually on the back side here, I'll try to show you around here. This right here, it's coming in. Sorry for the shaky. This right here is a square nut, and so I'm going to grind that off. I got some square nuts, 3/8 inch square nuts, and I'm going to put that on there just so it looks kind of factory, but you know, it's not a 100-point restoration. Most of the time people aren't going to see it. I just like having a little extra room that the square nut provides for welding over a hex nut. Remember, when you're welding those square nuts in, still put something in the hole so you don't get splatter into the threads and cause you all kinds of problems. I mean, sometimes it'll come out with a tap, but if you don't have a tap, it's best not to get it in there to begin with. So anyways, that's what we're working on today. Working on getting this patched up. I got one more spot here, I think, on the side, if I can get you to see that maybe. One right here, that's a bit Swiss cheese. So I'm going to try to get that fixed up. Anyhow, sorry for the shaky camera work, but trying to actually show you what I'm doing and show you kind of the process that I'm going through. So this patch will be butt welded in, and then hopefully that'll get this part of the thing, and then I get the rest of the patch over top of it that I've already made. So anyhow, take it easy guys, keep the rubber side down. We'll talk to you later on.